I think everybody's where they ought to be. I think everybody's where they need to be now.
You got
chairs here. All right, thanks for your patience, guys. We are ready for tractors here now. This is the Junior and Mary Boroff auction here, guys. If you're just joining us on the internet here for tractors. There we go. All right. All right, we are on lot number. We're on lot 62 here, guys. A Ford little Jubilee here, guys. Runs good, guys. It's a little hard starting, they tell me. They said they had a battery start. Every once in a while, they'd have to give it a little tug. But nice little Jubilee. We're going to tell you what we know about them, guys. They're all sold absolutely as is. You bid what you feel the value of them are here, guys. They've been in Junior and Mary's collection for a long, long time. So nothing that's mechanical that can't be fixed, but we'll tell you what we know about them. That's all I can do. Okay? All right, here's the Ford Jubilee.
Brand new rubber on it there.
Brand new rubber, nice tractor right here. If you want to start, yeah, go right ahead, yeah. Give her a try there now.
I got
This was the one that was a hard starter. We might as well get that out of the way right away. We might as well get it out of the way right away. You just stand by and run down the line. Yeah. Maybe. All right. How's your lucky day now?
I don't know.
See there? Just living right, that's all now. But there's times we had to give it a little tug. But there's you're going to buy. Little Jubilee right there, guys. New rubber, nice little tractor right here. Somebody give $3,000 on it. Somebody give $3,000. You want to buy them here? Here, $3,000. Three. New rubber now. Who could about $3,000 there now? $3. Did you want to buy them here? $3,000 now? $3. That's $1,000. 15. Anybody else? $1,000. 15. Anybody else? $1,000. 15. And 15. That's $1,000 bid. 15. Nice little Jubilee. $1,000. 15. Anybody else? 15. You want to buy them here? $1,000. 15. 12 and a half. 15. That's 12 and a half bid. 15. Anybody else? 12 and a half. 15. And 15. Did you want to buy them here? At 12 and a half bid, you got to be 15. Anybody else in a 12 and a half at a 15 and a 15? Did you want to buy them here in a 12 and a half at a 15 and a 15? 13, 14, 13, 14. Anybody else in a 13 bid, a 14, a 15, a 15. Internet, you got to be 15. You want to buy them here at 14 bid, 15. Anybody else in a 14 bid, 15 and a 15, a 16, a 16, a 16. Got to be 16, 17. Dan at 16, 17. Anybody else in a 16 and a 17? Do you want to buy them here at 16 bid? You got to be 17. Anybody else in a 16, 17? You want to buy them now at 16 bid? You got to be 17 there. You want to buy them here 16, 17 and more at 16 bid, 17. Anybody else in a 16, 17? New rubber on her, guys. That costs half of it. At 16, 17. Anybody else in a 17? You want to buy them here? At 16 bid, you got to be 17. Anybody else in a 16 there? No 17. Did you want to buy them here? No 17. You want to buy them here? At 16 bid, 17. Anybody else in a 17 on nice little Jubilee? At 16, 17. Anybody else in a 17? You want to buy them here? 16, 17. Anybody else? 16, 17. $100 all been done in more than 1700. Sold a tractor. $1,600 right there. Number 55. Thank you. Thank you. All right, here, another 9 in here.
Hold that. Flat 87.
9 in with an umbrella, guys.
87.
Now this was the easy one now. Remember?
That might not make sense.
We're at Dearborn Wood Brother, right?
I doubt it.
Okay, thanks.
Guys, it runs like a top. This one runs good. This one runs good, guys. Got the umbrella right on it, guys. You're going to sell the tractor, and then we're going to sell that tractor jack stand. Yeah, got a mind of its own today now. Runs good, guys. Nice little 9 in right here. You get about $2,000 to 2. You $2,000 to 2. Anybody else in a $2,000? Let's go. You $1,000 there. Do you want to buy them in a pound there? Do you want to buy them in a $1,000 there? No one. That $1,000 bill. Anybody else? $500. Let's go. $500 here to 5 there. Do you want to buy them here? 5, 7.5. If 5 bid, you got to be 750. Anybody else in a 5? In a 750. Anybody else in a 7.5? That 5 bid looks like original rubber on a guy. 500, 7.5. That 5 bid, you got to be 750. Anybody else in a 5? Boys, it runs fine. 5, 7.5. That 5 bid, you got to be 750. Anybody else in a 5? In a 750. Anybody else in a 5 bid? You got to be 7.5. 600. Let's go. That 5, 6, 7. Now 7. You got to be 7. Now 8 here. Ask him here. 708. Anybody else in a 8 there? No 8. That's 7, 800. 8 9 now 9 9 9. You got to be 9. A pound. Out of a pound here. A pound here. Do you want to buy them here? At 9 bid, you gotta be found there. Do you want to buy them here at 9 bid? A found anybody else at a 1 pound there? Do you want to buy them here? At 9 bid, you gotta be found anybody else at a 9 bid. Now found there in a town. Did you want to buy them at a 9 bid? A found anybody else at a pound, not a bill. At 9 bid, a found anybody else at a 1 pound there. Do you want to buy them here? At 900 at a minute, found anybody else at a 1 pound. Do you want to buy them here? At 900 bucks at a pound, at a pound, anybody else at a pound. Did you want to buy them at a pound here? Now found there in a pound. Did you want to buy anybody else at a pound? Only not done anymore. 900 bucks at a pound, anybody else? So, 900 bucks right here, number 9595. All right, there's a tractor jack. I hope that man shows up. Called me 3 times on it. Who get about 25? At $25, $25 at 25. Did you want to buy 25, 50? At 50, at 50. At 25, 50, get 50, did you? At 25, 50, at 25, at 50. At 25 bid, you got to be 50 bucks. Anybody else at a 25, at 50, anybody else at a 50, anybody else at a 25, at 50, anybody else at a 25, 35. At 25, 35, now 25, now 35, anybody else at a 35? Sold her 25 of the bill, 25 of the 3. You the man that called me on that thing? No. It figures. It figures. All right, on the Fordson here. Now, we didn't try this one at all, did we? No, this one we did not. It's free, but we did not try it. It's got excellent rubber on it, but we did not try and get it going. All right, on this Fordson right here, what am I going to give here? You get about pound batters here. You a pound here. Do you want to buy the 1 pound here? Do you want to buy them here? The 1 pound here. Do you want to buy them here? That pound at a bill. Anybody else in the pound? Do you want to buy them here? A pound at a pound. Anybody else in the pound? We're on lot number 65. It's down there, put them right here. Sound down, sound here. Do you want to buy it? Sound here. Do you want to buy her? It's down there, down $500, $300. Let's go. 3, 4, 4. Anybody else in the 3 to 4 here? Do you want to buy them? 3, 4 down, 4 down, 4. Got that much rubber. 4 down, 5. And now 600 bucks here, and a fine 600 bucks here, and a fine 6 here. Do you want to buy them here? And a fine 6. Anybody else at a 600 now 7. At 6 to 7, internet 10, 6 to 7, wait, 8, internet, no, wait there, no, wait. Did you want to buy them here? 7, 8, internet, no, wait there, no, wait. And now 9, now 9, 9, 9. Anybody else at 9, now 9. Did you want to buy 8, now 9, now found here? Do you want to buy them at a 1 pound here? Do you want to buy them here? At 900 bid, now found. Did you want to buy them at a $1,000 here? Do you want to buy them at a 1 pound here? Do you want to buy them here? At 900 bid, found. Anybody else at a 900 bucks here, and a pound? Did you want to buy them at a 1 pound or now 1? At 900 bucks here, now found. Anybody else at a 1 pound? Here we go. At 900 bucks here to $1 all in and done. Anybody else at a 900 bucks here to pound? I found. Anybody else at a pound? Anybody else? 900 bucks here to pound. Anybody else at a pound? All in and done. Here we go. Pound. Anybody else at a $1 here? So 900 bucks right here now. $900 on her. 150. Thank you. Thank you. Alrighty now then. Hey, we're on a 8N complete, the 8N complete tractor here, guys. A guy from Wilkerson, Indiana. Redid him, guys. He said it's okay. Got a front hitch, got it all on it right there. Nice little night right here. Got a front hitch, got it all here. Here you get about the 1,500. Here 15. You put a bomber in 15. Now 15. Down, let's go. Here down, 12 and a half. Down, 12 and a half. Down, 12 and a half. Here 1,000 bid. 12 and a half. Anybody else in the pound? Down, 12 and a half. Anybody else in the pound? Down, 12 and a half. 12 and a half. Get 12 and a half. 15, 12 and a half, 15, at 12 and a half bid, 15, anybody else at 15, 17 and a half, now 15, now 17 and a half, at 15 bid, 70, 15, now 2, gotta be 2 down, down to 2, at 70, 50 bid, you gotta be 2 down, down to 2, down to 22 and a half, 2 bid, 22 and a half, anybody else at 2 down, down to 22 and a half, anybody else at 22, 50, and now 5, 25, right here now, 25, now 25, internet's in, at 22 and a half, and a 5 here, now 25, internet's in, 5, 25, that's 2 and a half, 5.
22 and a half, we need 20.
25, 25, 25, 23, thank you, 24 internet, at 23 and 4, at 23 and 4, 4, did you want to buy them in the 22? Parade ready, guys, 23, that'd have been the 4, at 23 bid, now 4 in the morning, 23, that'd have been the 4 in the morning, 24, at 23 bid, you gotta be 24 for the 4 in the morning, 23, that'd have been the 4, anybody else in the 24, do you want to buy them here? At 23 bid, internet, you're out, at 23, that'd have been the 4, anybody else in the 23 and 4, anybody else in the 23 and 4, 23 and 4 in the morning, 24 in the morning, 23 and 4, sold them, 23 bucks on the floor, number 122 your buyer, 122 your buyer. All right, guys, here's your nice 700 now. I got a pair of them here now. This one is power steering, and he does have the step up. This one's got the step up on it, Roger. 3-point on it now. Anything else he found with it there? Right there it is, guys. A nice, clean little 700.
He's got the drawbar and he's got the bracket.
You got the drawbar and the brackets for it in the back there.
Yep.
All right, take a look here now. On little 700 here. What am I going to give it right here? Who get about good rubber? Got it all. Who get about 5,000? Pretty rare number here now. Who get about 5,000? Did you want to buy them in a 5,000? Out of 5, out of 5. Who get 5? Who get 3? Here's 3 down there. Do you want to buy them in a 3,000? Out of 3. Anybody else in a 3,000? Out of 3. Here's 3,000 out of 3 here. Now 2. Let's go. 2,000 out of 2. 2 down. Now 2. You get 2. 2,000 down to 2 on a 700 died here. 740. Who get 2,000 down to 2, 2, 2, 15, 2. You're 15 now. 2,000 down to 2. Anybody else on a 15 there? 2. Did you want to buy them here? 15 bid. You got to be 2,000 down to 2. Did you want to buy them here? 15 now. 2,000 down to 2. 25. 2 bid. 25. Anybody else on a 2 bid? 25. Anybody else on a 2 times? Got to step up and all. 2,000 down to 25. Anybody else on a 2,000 down to 25 or in the 25. 3. You're 3,000 down to 3. 3 bid. 3 now. 35. 35. Greg Gour again.
You're out.
3 bid, 35 out of it, 3,000 now, 35, 35 now, 3,000 now, 35, 35 now, 3 now, 35, 32 and a half, and now 5, 35, 35, you do her. At 32 and a half bid, 35, 35, 35, 35, did you want to buy in a 35 bear blue shirt, 35, 35, did you want to buy him in a 35? At 32 and a half bid, 35 and a 5 there, and a 32 and a half and a 5, you want to be 3? You want to be 3, Chris? 33? 33, you want to do it? 32 and a half bid, 33, you want to buy him in a 32 and a half and a 3, pretty slick here. At 32 and a half, 33, and 4 and a 33, you want to buy him here. And now 4 now, 34 now, 33 now, 4 now, 4, do you want to buy him here in a 34? Here's 33, 100 bucks here, now 34, did you want to buy him here in a 33 and 4 and 5? Here's 34 and 5, 5, 5 and 5, and 34 and 5, anybody else in a 35? At 34 bid, 35 out of a 5, anybody else in a 34 out of a 5 and a 35 and more. 34 out of a 5, 5, 5, anybody else in a 35, you're out, sir. 34, 35, got the step up transmission, got it all. 34 and 5, 34 and 5, 35, you gotta be 35, you want it? 34 out of a 5 anymore, I got 34, you gotta be 35. 3,500, gotta go. 35, you want to buy it? 35, 35, you want to buy it here? 35, you do it? Yes or yes, all I gotta do. Now 6, 36, 35, 36 here to 36, nice clean tractor, 36, 7, 36 and 7, anybody else in a 36 and 7, anybody else in a 37, you want to buy them here? Solder, 3600 bucks, 3,600. 55 your buyer, thank you, thank you. Here's the other twin brother to it. Now this one just does not have the step up on it, guys. It's got 3 points, got your drawbar bracket and everything in the back.
Steering.
Power steering, but no step up. No step up. All right, take a look here now. What am I giving this in here? You get about 4,000 under 4. This has got the under exhaust too. All right, what am I giving right here? You get about 4,000 under 4. Who gets 3? Give 2 and go again. 2,000 25, 25 out of a 2 bid, 25, 25, 25. 2,000 out of bid, 25 here now, 25 now, 3,000 out of that 3 there now, 3,000 out of that 3. 25 minutes, 3,000 out of 3 there. Did you want to buy them? 25 now, 3 now, 3 now, 3. 25 now, 3,000, sir. You got to be 3,000 out of that 3. You want to be 27 and a half. Quick cash deal. 25, 758. Here's 750 now, 3, 3, 3 now. I got 7 and a half back here on Roger. You got to be 3, Greg. You did make her. 27 and a half now, 3, 3,000 out of 3 there and a 3, 32 and a half. And 3 bid, 32 and a half and a 3 bid, 32 and a half. Anybody else in a 3 bid, 32 and a half. 3 bid, 32 and a half. Anybody else in a 3,000 out of that 32 and a half, 32 and a half, 32 and a half. 3 bid, 32 and a half. 3,000 out of bid, 32 and a half. Anybody else in a 32 and a half? You want to be 31? You want to be 31, sir? You want to be 31? I got 3,000 out of 31. You're 3,000 out of 31. Anybody else in a 3,000 now? 31, 31. Did you want to do her down? 3,000 out of that one. Now 131, 31, now 31. 3,000 out of it. 31 there. Do you want to buy them here? Now 3,000 out of that one. Now 31, 31. Did you want to buy them here? Now 3, now 31. 3,000 out of it. 31 anymore. Now 3, now 31, 31. Anybody else in a 3,000 now? 31, 31. All in it now 3,100. 3,100. So 3,000 out of your way, Greg. 5-5. Another one going to the Carolinas. Going to the Carolinas. All right, here's your cute little 540 here now, guys. Rare one, got the little offset on it, guys. Nice little tractor, little 541, 3-point on it, guys. Okay, it's okay, guys. Good rubber on the whole thing. Nice little tractor right here. On a little 541 right here. What am I going to give it right here? You get about 5 pound out of 5. You 5 pound there. Do you want to buy them at a 5 pound there? Do you want to buy them at a 5 pound out of 5? You 5 pound there. Do you want to buy them at a 5? 2, 25 out of it, 2,000 now, 25 now, 25 now, 2 now, 25. And 2 bid, 25. Anybody else in a 2,000 now? 25 there now, 25 now, 2,000 now, 25 there now, 25. 2,000 bid, 25 out of it, 2,000 now, 25 there. Do you want to buy them at 2,000 now, 25 now, 25 now, 25? I got 2. You got to be 25. 25. You're out.
Guys.
I get 2 bid 25. Hit 2,000 bid 25. 3, 3, 3. You got to be 3,000 out of a 3. Hit 25 out of a 3,000 now 3 there. Did you want to buy it? Now 3,000 out of a 3. Now 3. Now 3. At 25 bid, you got to be 3, 7 and a half. Now 3,000 out of a 3 there. Now 3,000 out of a 3. At 27 and a half out of a 3,000 now 3. Now 3. Nice little tractor. 27 and a half out of a 3. You want to buy them now? At 27 and a half bid, you got to be 3,000 out of a 3. You want to be 3,000 out of a 3 there. Now 3. Now 3. You want to 3. Now 3. You want to buy them here? At 27 and a half, 3,000 out of a 3. You want to buy them here? Now 27 and a half out of 3. You want to be 28.
28.
9. 28 and 9. 28 bid, 29 now 9. Anybody else at a 28 bid and 9 there now? 29. Did you want to buy them in a 28 there now 9? 28 9 now 3. 3 3. You got to be 3,000 down on a 3. You want to buy them here at 29 now 3,000 down on a 3. Anybody else in a 3? Bid 29 bid. You got to be 3,000 down on a 3. There. Do you want to buy them here at 29 now 3,000 down on a 3? Anybody else in a 3? You want to do her? 29 now 3,000 down on a 3. All in that 29 now 3,000 down on a 3. Anybody else in a 3,000 down on a 3? Anymore on a 3? 29 3,000 down on a 3 anymore? Sold a tractor, 2,900 bucks. 55. Another one. He's going to get a load to the Carolinas. Alrighty, here now. We're on number 70. Number 70. Alright, this is a Ford power unit with a buzzsaw. Not running, no. We didn't have this one running, guys. A little power unit with a buzzsaw. You get about 500. Hit 5 here. Do you want to buy them in a 5 and a 5? Anybody else in a 5 here? Do you want to buy them in a 5 and a 5? Look at 300 and go. Hit 3, down 3. Do you want to buy them in a 3? 3, 3. Anybody else in a 3? 1911 model with a power shaft on it. Get about 3,000 down on a 3. Hit 3,000 down on a 3. 3. Hook it 3. Hook it $500. Let's go. At 5 and a extra and a 5. Here. Do you want to buy them in a 5 and a 5 or in a 5? At 5 and a buck. Anybody else in a 5 and a 5? Hook it 200 and go. 200, 200, 200. At 2 and a 2. Anybody else in a 2? There. Do you want to buy them in a 2? Then a 2. There and a 2. At plain old 200 bucks. Anybody else in a 2? Do you want to buy them in a 2? 100 of them in a 2. Then a 2. Come on, boys. Who'll give 100?
100.
Somebody give 100 bucks on it. Somebody give 100. At 100 bucks. Anybody else on a 1 but a 1? Anybody else on a 100? Did you want to buy them? 50 now 100. At 50 now 100 bucks. Anybody else on a 50 now 100 bucks? Anybody else 100 now 75 and 100. At 75 100 and a quarter. I got 75 and now 100. I'm over here. You're out. 100. 75 and 100 now quarter. 100 a quarter. New man. 100 100 a quarter. At 1 bid 1 a quarter. Chuck 100 a quarter. Anybody else on a 125 150 150 150. Internet's in. At 125 bid 150. Anybody else on a 150 175 175 2 2 2 2. Gotta be 2. Thank you now. Quarter 2 and a quarter now. Half here. 2 and a half. 2 and a half. I got 2 and a quarter bid, 2 and a half. Anybody else in a 2 and a quarter bid, 2 and a half. Anybody else in a 2 and a quarter now. Half 75, 2 to 75 now 3 now 3 now 3 now 3 now 3. 275 bid now 3. Did you want to buy them there now 3 now 3 now 3? Did you want to do her? 275 and a 3. All internet. 275 and a 3. Anybody else in a 3? Hey, 275 bid now 300 and a 3 and a 3. Did you want to buy them there now? 275 and a 3. All in and a 3 quarter. 3 and a quarter half. 3 and a quarter. 3 and a half. 3 and a half. 3 and a quarter now half. All internet. 3 and a quarter now half. 3 and a quarter bid. 3 and a half. Anybody else in a 3 and a quarter now half. Here. You want to buy them there now 3 and a quarter now half. 3 and a quarter bid. 3 and a half. Anybody else in a 75. 375. All internet, 350, 375, 350, 75, 350 bid, 375 anymore, 350, 375, not 375 anymore, 375, 350 bid, 375, out of it, 375, anybody else at a 375, did you want to buy them here? 350 bid, 375 anymore, 350, 375 anymore, 375, all internet now, 350, 375, so we're on the internet, 350, 350. Where's she going, Brayden? Brookville, just down south of Pete. All right, here's a Doodlebug. All right, we're on number 71, a Doodlebug. 71. Should be 71, four-cylinder motor. Oh, whoa, I'm sorry, the display unit, the display unit, Greg, in the back, I'm sorry. Display unit in the back. Come from Henry Ford Museum. Where it come from, guys. It is a display model. I don't even know, we're not guaranteeing all the parts are even in it. It was a display model at Henry Ford Museum is what it was. What am I going to give here? Here you get about 500. Hit 5 and a 5. Anybody else in a 5 here? Do you want to buy them in a 5 and a 5 and a 5, 5, 5? Look at 2. 200 and a 2 there. Do you want to buy them in a 2? But a 2. Anybody else in a 2 there? Do you want to buy them here? At 200 right out of Henry Ford Museum. At 2, half 2, 200 else in a 2, now 50. Anybody else in a 250? At 2 bid. You're going to be 250. Anybody else in a 2 bid? 250. Not 2 bid. That's him at 2. 250, 250, 250. At 2 bid. You're going to be 250 there. Do you want to buy them in a 2 bid? 250. You want to buy them here? At 200 bid, 250 there. Do you want to buy them here? 200 back here, 250. You want to buy them now? At 2 bid, 250. Anybody else in a 2 bid? 250. Anybody else in a 250? At 2 bid, 250. All in done the 2 bid. 250. Anybody else in a 250? 250. Anybody else in a so there. 200 on a bill. 200 on a bill. Buyer 6. Thank you. All right, now we're on 72. Here's a little Doodlebug, Peerless Doodlebug. All right, on a Doodlebug, right here now. What are we giving us in here then? Hey, you get about 500 here now, 555. Here, do you want to buy them in a 5? Who get 2? Here, 200 bucks. Got the positive traction wheels on her. Here, you get 200 in a 2. Who get 50? Plain old 50 bucks. Let's go. 50 now, 75. 75 out of a 50 now, 75 now, 75. 50 bid, 75 out of a 50 now, 75 now. 100 bucks here now, 1 but a 1 now, 75. 100 bucks here now, 100. At 75 bid now, 100 bucks here now, 7 and a quarter, 1 a quarter now, half, 1 a half, 1 a half. 1 a quarter bid, 1 a half, all internet now, 1 a quarter now, half, all internet, 1 a quarter now, 5 and 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter. At 2 bid, 2 and a quarter, now half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 75, 75, 275, now 3. At 3, now 3, 3, 3, 3, now 3, 275 into 3, all internet. At 275 into 3, Mike, you're out 275 into 3, now 3, there, now 3. At 275 bid, you gotta be 300 into 3. Did you want to buy them here? 275 into 3, all in and done to 3. You want to buy them here? 275, 3 on the internet now. 275 now 3. Anybody else into 3? You want to buy them here? 275 now 3. 275 3. Told her 275 internet bound. 275 internet bound. 50, 30 your buyer. Going to Brookville. All right, here's your Wood Dearborn combine guy. Wood Brothers combine with a Ford engine on it, guys. I don't know about the engine on it, guys. It's got the books, got everything with it here. Got a good canvas on it here, guys. Junior had it clear up in the back corner of the museum. All right, take a look here now. What are you going to see one of them there? Who you get about the $1,000? $2,000 there. Do you want to buy them at a £1 there? Do you want to buy them at a £1 at a one there? Do you want to buy them here? £1 at a town. Anybody else at a town here? Do you want to buy them at a £1 at a town? 500 and go. You at 5. Anybody else at a 500 bucks here and a 5 and a 5. Anybody else at a 5 here and a 500. And 5 and a 5. Who gets $300 on her? 300 and a 3 here and a 3. Did you want to buy? Got a Continental engine on her. 300 and a 3 there and a 3 and a 3. Did you want to buy them here? Plain old 300. Anybody else at a 3 and a 3? Did you want to buy them here and a 3 and a 3? Pretty unique, boys. I'll get 300 bucks here and a 3. Did you want to buy 3? 102. Mercy sake. 100 bucks here and a 2. 100 bucks. 2, 2, 2. Anybody else at 100 bucks here and a 2 and a 2? Did you want to buy them here? 100 bucks here and a 2, 2, 2. Anybody else at a 2 and a 2? 3, 3, 2, 3. Anybody else at a 2 and a 3? 2 and 3, 3. I got 2 and 2. Wherever you're at. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Anybody else at a 3, 3, 3. You got to be 300 bucks here and a 3. Did you want to buy them here? 2 and 3. Anybody else at a 3? 250. And now 300, 300, 300. Now 50. 3, 350. Anybody else at a 3? 50. Anybody else? Where in the world would you find one? 300, 350. At 3 bids, 350. You want to buy them here to 3 bids, 350. You want to buy them here to 3 bids, 350. Anybody else at a 350? At 3 bids, you got to be 350 there. Do you want to buy them here to 3 bids, 350? Only got 3 bids, you got to be 350. Anybody else at a 3 bids, 350? You want to buy them here? At 3 bids, you got to be 350. All in and done. What do you say? 3 bids, 350. Anybody else? 3 bids, 354. Internet. 354 on the internet, 354, 350 bid, now 444, 400, 450, 450 internet, 4 bid, 450, 450, 450, you gotta find one before you get chicks, 455, 555, 155, 150, you 5 bid, you gotta be 550 now, 550, anybody else in a 550, at 5 bid, you gotta be 550, anybody else in a 5 bid, now 550, anybody else in a 550, at 5 bid, you gotta be 550, anybody else in a 550, I don't know, 5 bid, 550 anymore, you done. 5 bid, 550. Sold 500 bucks, 17, I believe. 17. Thank you. Thank you. All right, okay, guys. Here we go on a Wood Brother picker. She got the extra air blow fan and everything here. Dual wheels on the right-hand side. My goodness, it was the deluxe model. I did actually pick corn with one of those once, Roger. I did actually pick corn with one of those once. I did too, because I plugged the Huskin bit. Dearborn picker right here. What am I going to get? Hey, get about 500 here. You get 5 to the 5. Anybody else to the 5 to the 5? So get 2 and go. You get 200 bucks. There's a pretty nice one though. Who get about 200 bucks here to 2? Did you want to buy them here? 200 bucks on the picker. 200 bucks here to 2. Did you want to buy them here? 200 bucks here to 2. There's 2 there, not 2. 200 out of bid. Anybody else to do? Somebody give 100 out of bill on a Wood Brother picker. 100 bucks here to 100 there. Do you want? It goes right with that combine, sir. It goes right with that combine. 100 bucks here to 100 bucks here to 100 there. Do you want to buy them at a 1 at a 1? Anybody else at 100 bucks here to 100? 100 bucks. Anybody else? Who get $50 bill? 75. 50 bid, 75. Anybody else at a 75 and $50? 75. Anybody else at a 75? 50 bid, 75 and 100. Now 1 at a 1 and 75 and 100 bucks here to 1 at a 1 and a 1. It's 75 bid. Now 100 bucks here to 75 and 100 bucks. Anybody else at a 75 and 1 at a 1 and a 1? Did you want to buy them there? Now quarter. I won bid. 1 quarter out of bid. 125. 125 out of 50 and 150. At 125 bid. 150. Anybody else at 125 out of 150. 150. 150. At 125 bid. 150. Anybody else at 150? You want to buy them here? At 125 bid. 150. Anybody else at 125? 150. At 125 bid. 150. Anybody else at 125? 150. 150. At 125 bid. 150. Anybody else at 150? Here we go. 125 out of 150. Anybody else at 150? 150. Told her 125, Greg. 125.
Oh, you had me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I had Roger. I apologize.
121.
121. 121. All right. Here we go on the Ford. 8600. All right, here's the 8600. Now, Junior and Mary bought this tractor brand new over at Harvey's. Then they sold it. It went away from home for a while, and then they found it back and bought it back. So you're buying it from the original owners, guys. You're buying it from the original owners. It's an 8600 Ford. And it's only got, I had the hours wrote down, what many? 3,300 hours on it, guys. 3,300 hours on an 8600 Ford. All right, hey, does everything it's supposed to, doesn't it now? Doing everything it's supposed to. All right, what am I giving away? Here, you get about 7,500. It's 75. Anybody else in a 75? Who gives 75 out of extra in a 75 or in a 75? Did you want to buy them 3,000 for? Here, 3,000 out of bid, 4,000 out of 4, 5, 5, 5,000 out of 5, 5, 6 here and a 6,000 out of 6 here and a 6. If 5 bid, only 3,300 hours, 55, 6,000 out of 6 here and a 6 here and a 65, 65, at 6,000 out of 5, now 7,000 out of 7 and a 7 now, 575. At 7,000 bid, 75 out of 7,000 out of 5 here and a 75. Did you want to do her? At 7,000 out of 5, 75, 8,000 out of 8,000 out of 85, 85, 85, 85, 85. At 8,000 out of 5 here, you want to do her? At 8,000 out of 5, 85, 85, now 8,000 out of now 5. At 8,000 bid, 85 out of 8,000 now 5 here, 85, 85 here. Do you want to buy them 8,000 out of now 5? At 8,000 bid, 85 out of 5 now 8,000 out of now 5 here, no 85 here, no 85. Do you want to do her here? At 8,000 out of now 5, anybody else at 8,000 out of now 5 here, no 85, 85, on and all done. At 8,000 now 5, 85, 85, now 8,000 now 5 here, that's your route 2. 8,000, 85 on, is that 85? 8,000, 85, 85, 85 anymore? 8,000, 85, you want a 2.5?
Yep.
Now 5.
Yep.
7.5. 87.50, sir. Thanks for what you done. At 85, 87.50. At 85 bid, 87.5. Here we go. 85, 87.5. Her. He said no, and we sold her for 8,500 bucks right here. Buy her 130. Thank you. Thank you. All right, here's your Ford 4000. Alrighty now. Now this one here, guys. It runs. Dial was trying it out, but there is problems with the transmission. Imagine that. It's a selective speed with transmission trouble. You're buying it that way. And you know how we sell select those speeds, Roger. If it falls in half, you own both halves.
It does have power steering.
That's how it is. It does have power steering. It's a nice tractor, but it is a select those speed that's got some issues. That's how you're going to buy it. But look how nice Junior had it. Look how nice he's got it. Power steering. All right, hey, you get about 2,500. Here's 25. Anybody else at a 25 and 25 here and a 25? Did you want to buy them here? At 25. Anybody else at a 25? Put it right on the transmission. All right, what do we get? 25 pound on a bill. Anybody else at a pound? Did you want to buy them here? A pound on a pound. Anybody else at a $1,000 on her? A pound on a bill. Anybody else at a $1,000? 500 and go. Get 5. Anybody else? Get her out of the bull, out of the square pen, the scrap pen, guys. So get 500. 5. At 5 and a 5. Anybody else at a 5 and a 5? 7.5 and a 5. 7.5. And 5 bid. 750. Anybody else at a 5 and a 750? Anybody else at a 5 and a 750? At 5 bid, you got to be 7.5. Anybody else at a 5 and a 750? Anybody else at a 5 bid? You got to be 750. At 5 bid, you get 750. Now pound and a pound. Here down 12 and a half. 12 and a half behind you, Roger. A pound and a 12 and a half. The lady, pound and a 12 and a half. A pound and a bill. 12 and a half and a pound and a 12 and a half anymore. A pound and a 12 and a half. A 1,000 bid. 12 and a half anymore. A pound and a 12.50. Anybody else at a 12 and a half? 12 and a half. I'll trade the dog in if you want. Pound out of 12 and a half. That pound out of 12 and a half. Sound by the head or by the pound? That pound out of 12 and a half. You pound out of bill. 12 and a half. Anybody on a pound out of 12 and a half anymore? A 12 and a half. 1,000 bid. You got to be 12 and a half anymore. A pound out of 12 and a half anymore. A pound out of 12 and a half anymore. A 12.50. You want her? Pound out of 12 and a half anymore. Pound out of 12. Anybody give 1,100 before we go? 1,000, 11. Anybody else at 1,100 bucks? Anybody else at 1,100? Sold her $1,000. $1,000. What am I?
89.
89. Thank you. Thank you. Here's your command. Your 6,000 Ford here. Good rubber on it, guys. Runs and drives. Now it has no brakes. No brakes. And we don't think the 3 points working right. Basically been sitting around too long. That's the trouble. Sitting in the warehouse. Set in the museum up there, guys. So it is a 6,000, guys. It does serial number to be a 64 model. All right, what am I giving right here? All right, what am I giving here now? Good rubber got it all now. You get about 5 times down on a 5. You get 5 times down on a 5 and a 5. Anybody else at a 5 times down 5? Look at 2. You get 2 times down on a 2. Anybody else at a 2 times down on a 2? There, no 2, no 2. Did you want to buy them here? At $2,000 now. 2 times down on a 2. 2, 2. Anybody else at a 2? Did you want to buy them here? 2 times down on a 2. 2, $2,000. Anybody? $1,000. Anybody? Nice tractor. Pound down sound. Anybody else at a pound here? Do you want to buy a pound? 12 and a half. You 1,000 bid. 12 and a half. Anymore? A pound down. 12 and a half. Anymore? A pound down. 12 and a half. You 1,000 bid. You got to be 12.50. Anybody else at a pound? 12 and a half. Anymore? A pound down. 12 and a half. You 1,000 bid. You got to be 12.50. Anybody else at a pound? 12 and a half. 15. 15. 15. I got 12 and a half. 15. At 12 and a half bid. 15. You got to be 15. 17 and a half, sir. At 7 and a half straight away right there down. 12 and a half. 15 and 15. No, I got 15. You got to be 17 and a half. 17 and a half, sir. Now 17 and a half. Yeah, 2. At 2,000 down to 2. At 2, 22 and a half. At 22 and a half. 2,000 down to 22 and a half. Anybody else at a 2, 22 and a half. I got 2,000 bid. You got to be 22.50. Get on the buyer. 2,000 bid. 22 and a half. 22 and a half. Sir, quick cash deal. 2,100. 2100, quick cash deal. 21. At 221, straight back into sunglasses. 2021, way back, in the bibs, Who get 21? At 2 bid, 21 in the bibs, Who get 21? You got to be 21. At 2021, you don't have better luck than I did. At 2021 anymore, 2021 anymore. Sold a tractor, $2,000, 154, thank you, 154, thank you. All right, next up here. Next up right here, got a Ford 101, 2-bottom now. She a pin brake?
Yeah.
All right, well, 78, she's 78. On the front one here, What am I giving right here now? Who get about 5 on the back here, 5. You probably got a center link, look at that. They give you a bonus here now. They've left the center link right on her.
Got Colders,
Got
too.
Colders to boot. Who get about 5 on the back here, 2. Turn it up into 2, 200, 150. 150, anybody else at 100, 150, anybody else at 150. At 1 bid, 150, anybody else at 150. Now 2, 2, 2, anybody else at a 2, 2, 2, 2. At 150 bid, now 2, 2, 2, anybody else at 150, 175. At 150 bid, 175, out of 150, 175, out of 175. At 150 bid, 175. Out of 175. Anybody else at 175? At 150 bid, 175 at 175, 175. At 150 bid, 175 out of 175. What about here? 150, 175. At 175, 175, 2, 2, 200 Steve. At 175, 2, 2, 2. Now quarter, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter. At 2 bid, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter. Anybody else at a 2, 225, 225. At 2 bid, 25. Anybody else at a 225? Sold it. $200 right there. What's your number today?
121.
121, 121. Sell the back plow now. The back plow, the 101, 2-bottom again here. Who get about the, well, what am I give here? Who get about the 200 of the 2? 2, 2, 2. Anybody else at 100, 100 and a quarter? At 100 and a quarter, quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter, now quarter, now half. Here, 1 1/2, 1 1/2. I 1 quarter bid, 1 1/2, got a half. Now 75, 175, 2. 2, 2, 2, 175 at a 2. Anybody else at a 2? 175 at a 2. Now 2 there, now 2. At 175 bid. Now 2 at a 2. Anybody else at a 175 at a 2? Anybody else at a 2? Did you want to buy them here? At 175 bid. Now 2, 2, 2. Anybody else at a 175 at a 2? Anybody else at a 2? At 175 bid. You got to be 200 at a 2. All in and done a 2 anymore. Sold her 175 to 121. 175 to 121. All right, here we go. Got a little Ford 1-bottom. Little 3.1 bottom right here. What am I going to give? Who get about the 303? Somebody give 100. Out of 100 bucks here to 111. Nice little garden plow. They give 100. At $100. Anybody else at 100 bucks? Anybody else? 50, 75, 75 out of 50, 75, 75. At 50 bid, 75. Now 111. Now quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/2. At 1 quarter bid, 150. Anybody else at 125, 150. Hit 125 bid, 150. Anybody else at 125 out of 150, 150, 150. At 135, 150, 135, 150. Hit 135 bid, 150, 150. Nice little plow. At 135 out of 150. Anybody else at 135, 150. Riders in, 135. 150, 135, 50, you want it? Sold her, 135, Roger. 121, thank you. Hey, we got a disc plow. Hey, here's something hard to find now. Little 2-bottom Dearborn disc plow. All right, take a look here now. Ought to have 300. 300 in the tree. Did you want to buy them in the tree? 3, hook a 3, hook a 2. 100 and a half. Have 1 bid, 150. Now 2, now 2. Anybody else at 150? Down to 2 and a half. Down to 2, 250. 2 bid, 2 and a half. Down 3, 3. You got to be 3. Anybody else at a 250? Down 3, now 3. There, down 3. I'm on the internet at 250. Now 3. Anybody else at a 3 there? Do you want to buy them here? 250, down 75. Now 3. 275 out of a 3. Internet, you got to be 3 there, now 3. 275 bid. You got to be 3 now 3. Anybody on a 275 down to 3 now 3. Anybody 75? 3 quarter, 3 and a quarter, now 3 and a quarter, now 3 bid, 3 and a quarter now. Half, 3 and a half, 3 and a quarter bid, 3 and a half, all internet now, 3 and a quarter and a half, 3 and a quarter bid, 3 and a half, anybody else now, 75, 375, 375, internet now, 375, 350 bid, 375, hard to find here, 75, 4, 4, 4, 4, you gotta be 4 with a 4 and a 375, 4, 375, out of it, 4 with a 4, anybody else in a 375, 4, 375 bid, you gotta be 4 with a 4 and a 375, out of it, 4 with a 4, anybody else in a 375, 4 anymore, 375, 4, on the internet, is that right, Braden?
85.
85, 4, 385, 4, internet, 4, 4, 4. 385, 4, internet, you gotta be 4 with a 4 and a 4. 385 out of it, 4, you wanna buy them here? 385 out of it, 4 and a 4. Anybody else at a 385 out of 4? Do you 4 quarter, 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter, 4 bid, 4 and a quarter, sold her, 400 bucks, internet bound, 400 bucks. 5026. Salina. All right here now. Got a little Ferguson 2-bottom right here. What are we giving this in? All right, hey, who's about 500 here? At 5 bucks. Anybody else in a 5 and a 5 and a 5? Should be on number lot 82, I believe. All right, who's got about 500 bucks here? 100 bucks here. We got 100, 50, 75. Good 75. Now 1, 100 bucks here to 75. 100 bucks here and a quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter. At 1 bid, 125 out of it, 125, 125, 125. At 100 bid, 125 out of it, 125 out of it, 125. At 1 bid, 125, 50. Got the internet. 25, 50, 150, 150. That's 75. 175 internet. At 150, 175 internet now. 150, 175. At 150 bid. 175. 222. Got to turn it into 2. Did you want to buy them here? At 175 at a 222. Anybody else at a 2? Did you want to buy them here? 175 2 on the internet. At 175 at a 2. Anybody else at a 2? At a 2. Anybody else at a 2? You want to buy them here? 175 200 2 and a quarter. I got 2 bid on the floor. 2 and a quarter internet. You're out. At 2 bid. 2 and a quarter internet. 2 and a quarter internet. You got to be 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter internet. Sold them here. $200 to the goodbye. Buyer 10. Thank you. Thank you. All right, here got a Ferguson 2-row stock chopper, lot number 83, guys. Lot number 83, Ferguson 2 stock chopper. All right, when you seen one of them, Roger? All right, take a look here now. Who get about 500 bucks here to 500? Good blades and all. Who get about 500 bucks here to 500? Get 2. And 200 down to there, boy. Some landscapers just love that thing, I think.
I'll bet.
You want to loosen up some ground. Give 10 bid to 200, 100 and a half. At 1 bid, 150. Anybody else 150? Down 2, 2, 2, half air, 2, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 3, 3, 3, half air, 3 and a half, 4. 4 bid to 4, 4 bid to 4, and a 3 and a half, out of bid to 4, 4, 4. Did you want to buy them here? At 3 and a half bid, 4 half air, 4 bid, 4 and a half, 4 and a half. 4 bid, 4 and a half. Anybody else in a 4 bid, 450. Anybody else in a 4 and a half? At 4 bid, 4 and a half. Anybody give a quarter? 4 and a 4 bid, a quarter, and a 4 and a quarter anymore. 4 bid, 4 and a quarter, and a bid, 4 bid, 4 and a quarter, and a bid, 4 and a quarter anymore, and a 4 bid and a quarter. Sold $400 at number 17. Thank you. Thank you. All right, got a good little Ford, original Ford Dearborn blade, I believe. Dearborn 6-footer. All right, what are we giving this in? Taking about 200 and 2. $200. Anybody else in a 2 to 200? Let's go right on. 100 bucks here to 150, 75. $50, 75 out of a minute. $50, 75, 75, 75. At 50 bid, 75, 100. Back on on the internet. At 75 bid, 100 bucks. Anybody else in a 75 and 100? At 75 bid, now 1, 1, 1. Anybody else in a 75 100 bucks? Anybody else in a 75 and 1 but a 1 there no 1. At 75 bid on the internet now. 75 and 1 but a 1. Boy, you want a nice little snow blade? There it is.
$100.
She reverses, does it all. 50s. I get 75 and 100, 70, 100 and a quarter, thank you, 100, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter and a half, 100 and a half, young lady, 100 quarter half, right in front of you, 100 and a half, 75, she's in, 151, 75 now, 2, 2, 2, ma'am, gotta be 2 to 2 to 2, and now quarter, 2 and a quarter, 2 bid, 2 and a quarter half, and 2 and a quarter bid, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 250, 250, 250, real Dearborn, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half, 75, 75, 275, 250 bid, and 75, anymore, and 250, 75, internet, you're out, 250, 75 anymore, now 3, ma'am, 3, 3, 3, you gotta be, I'll still trade the dog in if you want, 275, 3, 275 bid, now 3, 3, 3, got to be 3, anybody else in a 3, you want to buy them here? 275, 3 anymore, sold her on the internet, 275, Braden, thank you, I'm just kidding, ma'am. 5026, so line about. Got a Worthington Chief here. Got a Worthington Chief here. All right here. Runs okay, it says. Golf course tractor right here. Good rubber, got it all. You get about 25. Hit 25. $100 a minute, 25. $1,000. Let's go. $1,000 a pound. Anybody else at a pound here? Do you want to buy them here? At $1,000 a bill. Start your own golf course. At $1,000 here. Do you want to buy them at a pound here? Do you want to do it here? At $1,000 a bill. Anybody else at a pound here? Do you want to buy them at a $1,000? $1,000. $1,000. $500. Let's go. $500 here. Now 5. Did you want to buy them here? Now $500 here. Now 5. Did you want to buy them here? Now 5 and a 5. Anybody else at a 5? Did you want to buy them here? A little cheap. Worthington.
Yep.
500, 600, 600, 5, 6. At 5, 6. Yep, 5, 6 on Roger. 5, 6. Anybody else at a 6 here? 6, 7, 7, 7. You got to be 7 here, 7 here, no, 8, 8, 8, now, 8. At 7, 8. Anybody else at a 7, 8? $100 here, no, 8, turn to 9, now, 9, 9, 9. Got to be 9, but a 9, turn to 9, now, 9. At $800 here, 9, now, $1,000 here. Internet, you got to be 1,000 here, now, 1,000. Did you want to buy her? At 9, but a 1,000. Anybody else at a 9, but a 1,000. Anybody else at a 1,000, 1. At 9 bid, now, 1,000, 12 and a half, 1,000, 1,100, sir. 1,100 here, now, 11, now, 1,000, now, 11 here. Do you want to buy him here? At 1,000 bid, 11. I'm on the internet at 1,000, $1,100 only. At 1,000, now, 11. Anybody else at 1,000, now, 11 anymore? 1,000, now, 11 here. One more time. What do you say? 1,000, 1,100. You want to buy her? 1,000, now, 11. Anybody else at $1,100 anymore? 1,000, 1,100. Sold her on the internet. $1,000. $1,000. 5024. 5024. All right, here's your Oliver Hart-Parr 70. Oliver Hart-Parr 70, guys, on steel now. Runs, guys, it runs. All right, what are we giving a Hart-Parr here? Got a big steel front, spade backs here. What are we giving right here? You get about 3,000. You 3,000 out of the 3. Anybody else in the 3 there? You're talking about Oliver's now. You get about 3,000 out of the 3 here. Do you want to buy another 3? 2,000 out of 2,000. 1,000 out of it. Got lights, got it all. 1,000 out of there. Do you want to buy them in 1,000 there? Do you want to buy them 1,000 out of got fenders, lights, got it all. $1,000. $1,000. 500. Let's go. At 5 and a 5, and a 5, 750. 5 bid, 750. 750, anybody else in a fiver? 750, anybody else in a fiver? And a 750. At 5 bid, 750, down there, 750 now, down there, now, 1,000, 12 and a half. 1,000 bid, 12 and a half. Anybody else in a town now? 12. 12 and a half. Anybody else in a town now? 12 and a half, and a 12 and a half. I got 1,000 bid, 12 and a half anymore, and a $1,000. 12 and a half. Anybody else in a town? 12 and a half, and a 12 and a half. 1,000 bid, you got to be 1250. Yes, sir. I got you, Junior. 1,000, 12 and a half. 1,000 bid, 12 and a half. I shouldn't, but I do. $1,000, 12 and a half, 12 and a half. $1,100. Let's do it.
11, guys. 11.
1100.
Look how nice it is. 11, 12. 11, 12 now, 12 now, 12. Your turn there now. 11, 12 now, 12 now, 12 now, 12 now, 13 now, 13 now, 13 now, 13. 12 now, 13 now, 13. I've seen us sell them side shields bring $400 a couple weeks ago, Roger.
I don't doubt it.
Just the side shields.
I don't doubt
I
it.
got 12, 13, 13, 13, 12, 13. 12 and a 13, now 13. You want her? 12 and a 13. Anybody else at a 13? Did you want to buy them here? Now 12 and a 13. Anybody else at a 1300? 12, 13, now 13. 12, 13. Anybody else? So 12 and a bucks, Junior. 12 and a bucks right there. 171. 171. All right, here's something impossible to find, guys. Find me a Dearborn lime spreader someplace. And it's nice.
Wow.
And it's nice.
It is. Really?
On line drill, right here. What are we giving a Dearborn? Hey, you get about 750. You get 750. Anybody else at a 750 there? Do you want to buy them there? 750, 500 and go. You get 5 and a 5. Anybody else at a 5 and a 5? Anybody else at a 5? Somebody give $200. Let's go. 200 bucks here to 2. Did you want to buy them here? 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Anybody else at a 2 and a half? Now 3, 3, now 3, 3, half fair, 3 and a half. 3 bid, 3 and a half. Anybody else at a 350? Now 350. 3 bid, 350. Anybody else at a 3 now 50? Now 350. I got 3, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, sir. 3 and a half, 75, 375, 4. 4 bid, 4 and a 4. 4 and a 4 and a 4 and a 4 and a quarter, 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 4 and a quarter. At 4 bid, 25. No, he's got to be a quarter. He's got to be a quarter and a half, 4 and a half, 75. At 4, your turn every other time. 450, 475. At 450 bid, 75 out of bid, 475. Boy, it's nice. Boy, it's nice. 475, 475, 450 bid, 75 anymore, 450, 75 anymore, 454, you better take a look in there, 450 more, 75, 450 bid, 75, now 475 anymore, and sold her, 450 back row. His number is 36, sir, thank you, thank you. I got a Dearborn gear here, got a Dearborn running gear. All right, on a Dearborn running gear, right here. What do we give here? You get about 500 bucks here to 5, 5, 5, but you get 3. You get 300 bucks here to 3. Did you want to buy them here? Now 300 on a 3, now 3 there. Did you want to buy them here? 300 bucks here to 3. Did you want to buy them here? 300 bucks here to 3. $100. Let's roll. 100 bucks here to 100 bucks here to 100 and a half here. Palm B 150. Anybody else? 150 now 2. 2 now 2 now 2. There 2 now 50. 250. 250. 2 bid. You got to be 250. Anybody else in a 2 now 50. Anybody else in a 250. I got 2 bid. You got to be 250. Anybody else in a 2 now 50. Anybody else in a 250. 250. 2 bid 250. Everybody give 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter out of bid at 25. 2 bid 25. Anybody else in a 2 bid to 25. 225. 225. 2 bid. You got to be 25 out of bid at 225 out of bid at 225. All in and done at 225. 225. Sold her 200 bucks straight back. 36, I believe. 36.
Yep.
Boys, you talk about the nicest little Dearborn shredder you got right here. There's about a nice one. It's a 20-7. You talk about a nice, everybody looking for a nice, clean little spreader. Right there one is. So you get about $2,000 on it. Somebody give $2,000 on a 2. Anybody else on a $2,000 on a 2? You get $2,000 on a 2. Anybody else on a $2,000 on a 2? 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. 6. Anybody else on a 5 and a 600? You get 5, 6. Anybody else on a 6, 7, 7, 7. You got to be 7, 0, 8, 0, 8, 8, 8, now 9. Deep in a 9. Anybody else on a 9? 9. Anybody else? You bet the 9 and a 9 now 9. Deep in a 9 now 9. Now found on a pound here now 11. Now 10 now 11. Anybody else on a 10 there now 11. 1,000 bid now 11. Anybody else on a 1,000 now 11 there? Do you want to buy here? Now 1,000 now 11. Anybody else on 1,100? 1,000 now 11. Anybody else on a 1,000 now 11 there? Do you want to buy now 1,000? 11, 12, 12 now 12. 13, 13 now 13 now 13 now 14. 15 now 15 now 15 now 15 now 15 now 15. You want to buy here? At 14, spend a little bit what you saved on them other two. At 14, 15. Give a half, sir. There's a nice little spreader. 14, 50. At 14 bid. 14 and a half. Anybody else in a 14 and a half here? Do you want to buy them here? At 14 and a half. Anybody else in a 14 and a half? 14, 14 and a half anymore. 14 and a half. Sold her. 1,400 bucks. 17, 17. Thank you. Thank you. All right, next up here now. Got a beautiful little Packer. Little Dearborn, I believe.
Ford.
It says Dearborn.
It says Ford right there on the
Ford. Well, I'll take your word for it. You know how to spell it. All right, what am I going to give right here? All right, now, double Packer right here. Well, I think about a 9-footer, isn't it? All right, take a look here now. What am I going to give it right here? 8 or 9? All right, don't double pack here. Who get about 500? Anybody else at a 5 and a 5? Anybody else at a 5? 2, 2.5. Hey, 2 bid, 2.5. Anybody else at a 2? Half here, 2 bid, 250. Anybody else at a 2.5? Now 2.5. Hey, 2 bid, 250. Anybody else 50? Now 3, 3, 3. You gotta be 350. Now 350, 350. 3 bid, 350. Anybody else at a 350? 350, 350. Now 4, 4, 4. Now 50, 450. 4 bid, 450. I got 4 over here. 450. 450. You doing? Quarter. Give a quarter. Give a quarter. Now half. Now 75. 4.5. 75. 475. 450 bid. 475 out of minute. 450. 475. 75 now. 5. 5. 5 and a 5 and a quarter. Quarter. 5 and a quarter to minute. 5 and a quarter to 5 and a quarter. At 5 bid when you seen a nicer one. 5. 5 and a quarter to 5 and a quarter to 5 and a quarter. Now half. At 5 and a half. 75. 5. 75 out of minute. 550. 575 to 575. Give her the old steer's dry. All you can do. 555. 75 there. 555. 75 anymore. Sold her. 550. Number 17. Thank you. Boys, about a nice little 309 planters you can find right here. I think, is that us? No. Yeah, planters next. I'm sorry.
That's
Yes.
right.
About a nice little 309 planters you're going to find right here, guys. 2 row, 3 point. Got the book, got everything right on it. Fertilizer nice and clean in there, Roger.
Yep.
You betcha. Nice little planter here now. Somebody get 1250. You 12 and a half. Anybody else in a 12 and a half? Pound under. 500 and go. You 5 and a 5. Anybody else in a 5 and a 5? 3, 4, 4, 4 now. 3, 4. I got 3 bid. You got to be 400 extra in a 3 bid. You got to be 400 extra in a 5, 5, 5, 4, 5. 4, 5. Anybody else in a 4 and a 5? There. Do you want to buy them in a 4 and a 5? Anybody else in a 4 and a half? 4 bid, 4 and a half. Anybody else in a half? Now 5, 5, 5. Got to be 5 now. Half 5 and a half, sir. 5 bid, 550 now. 600 extra now. 600, 600 and a half. 650. Anybody else in a 650? 650 now. 7 now. 7 now. 650 now. 7 now. 50. 750. 758. 8. Anybody else in a 800 extra to 800. 800. 800. 750 now. Wait. Anybody else in a 750 bid? Now wait there. You want to buy them here? 750 now. Wait. Anybody else in a 750 now? Wait there. Do you 775. 800. 8 and a quarter. Got to bid twice when you do that. 8 and a quarter, 8 and a quarter, 8 and a quarter, 8 bid not quarter. 8 bid not 25. Anybody else 825? 825 anymore? 800 bucks there, no 825 or no 825. Anybody else? Sold them. 800 bucks right there. $800 on her.
43.
43, thank you. All right, here now. Here's your true blue Ford 2-section rotary hoe. Ford 2-section rotary hoe. You get about 500 now, 2. You 200 now, 2 there, now 2. Did you want to buy them here? Now 200 now, 2 there, now 2. Somebody get 50. Look how nice it is. Little Ford 2-section rotary hoe. 50 bucks. 50 bucks, guys. I'll get 50 to 50. You 58 out of it. Anybody else, sir? If you got your corn planted, you're going to have to rotary hoe it sometimes. I'll get about 50 on a rotary hoe. 50 bucks. 50 bucks. 50 bucks. 75. Awful nice. I have $50.75. 50 bid. 75 out of it. $50.75 out of it. $50.75. I have 50 bid. 75 out of it. 50. Now 75 out of it. 75 or 50.75 or 75 anymore. 50, 75. So 50 bucks stays with the planter. Stays with the planter. 43. Richard Petty today, huh?
Yeah.
All right, here. Now we got, is that a Ford or a Dearborn?
I don't know.
I had it wrote down here. It is a Dearborn. Dearborn. All right, what am I giving right here now? Get about the, don't remember, you wrote it up. Get about the, I think got a Centerlink bonus also here. See, got a Centerlink bonus.
Yes, it does.
Get about 200 a minute two. Some landscaper would love to have that thing. Get about 200 a minute two. 200 now, 2 there, now 2. Somebody give 100. 100 bucks here, 100 bucks. 3 points, spring 2. 100 bucks here, 100 bucks. Anybody else at 150, 75. 75, 100 bucks here, now 75, 100 bucks here, now 1 there, now 1. 75 bid, now 1, 75 to 100 bid, now 1 there, now 1 there. Did you want to buy them here? 75 bid, now 100 bucks here, now 75, now 1 bid, 1. Anybody else at a 75, now 1 bid, 1 on little string 2. 75 bid, now 100 bucks here, now 75 and 100. Anybody else at a 1 bid, 1, now 75 and 100 bucks. Anybody else at 100? Sold. 75, 3 in a row, 3 in a row. All right, 43, thank you. All right, got a little 501 mower here. Little Ford 501 mower here. What am I going to give on here? You get about 500 extra, 5 here. Everybody get 5, everybody get 3. You get 300 and 3 here. Do you want to buy them in a 3? 3, 3. Somebody give 2.
2.
I got 100, 150. 150. 100 bid, 150 here. Do you want to buy them at a 1 bid? 150. Anybody else at 150? Anybody else at 150? At 1 bid, 150. Anybody else at a 1 bid? 150. Anybody else at a 150? Nice little Ford mower. 1 bid, now 150. Anybody else at a 1? Now 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 1 quarter, now half. 1 quarter, now half. Anybody else at a 1 quarter, now half here to 1 quarter, now half. At 1 quarter bid, 1 half. Anybody else at a 125, 150, 150. Nice little mower here, guys. 125, 150. At 125 bid, 150. Anybody else at a 125, 150. You want to buy them here? 125 bid, 150. Anybody else at a 125, 150. All in. Anybody else at 125, 150. Nice little mower here. 125, 50. Sold her. 125 to buyer. 121, 121. All right, got a check planter. Got a horse-drawn corn, little Hamilton from Hamilton, Indiana. It says.
You hit it once and
We know where that's at. All right, what am I giving them right? Or is it Hamilton, Ohio? I'm not sure. Ohio, Mary says. Hamilton, Ohio. All right, buy a little check planner. Who get about 500? Who get 3? At 300, now 3 there. Do you want to buy them? Now 3. Now 3. Three. Did you want to buy them? Now 3. Now 3. Somebody give $200 on a check planner. At $200 here, now 2. Did you want to buy them here? At 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. I gotcha. 2, 3. Anybody else in a 2? Now 3 there. Do you want to buy them? 2, then 3. At 2 and 3. Anybody else in a 2? Now 3. You want to buy them here? Now 2, 2 and a half. Anybody else in a 2 and a half? At 2 bid 250. Anybody else in a 250? Now quarter. Now half. And now 75. 75 here. 275. 275. 3. Now 3. Got to be 3 back here. Now 3. 3 quarter. 3 and a quarter half. 3 and a quarter. He did. 3 and a half. 3 and a half. 75. Now 4. 4 quarter. 4 and a quarter. Not a bid. 4 and a quarter. 4 and a quarter. 4 and a quarter. At 4 bid. 4 and a quarter. Not a bid. 425. Anybody else in a 425? At 4 bid 25. Anybody else in a 425? Anybody else in a 425 anymore? 425 anymore? Sold him. $400. $400. 105, I think.
You're right.
Is that right?
Yes.
All right, here's a Dearborn drill now. When you seen a Dearborn drill? 13 row, 7-inch spacing. Got a cedar on the front of it. Nice little drill, huh?
Stars are loose in it.
Stars are loose in it. Right there, what am I going to give here? Who get about 750? It's 750. Anybody else in a 750? Trip lift and all. Who get about 750? 200 and go. At 2, 2, 2, 2, 200 and 2, 2. Anybody else in a 2, 200, 150. At 1 bid, 150. Anybody else in a 150? Anybody else in a 150? 150, 150. At 1 bid, 150. Anybody else in a 100 bid? 150 there. Do you 50 now? 2, 2, 2. Got to be 2. At 150 bid, now 2. Do you want to buy them here? 150 down on a 2, 2, 2. Got to be 2, 2, 2. Got to be 2. At 150 bid, and a 2 half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half. Hit 2 bid, 2 and a half. Boy, it's a nice little drill. 2, 2 and a half. At 2 bid, 250. Hit 2 bid, 2 and a half. Anybody else in a 250? Anybody else in a 250? At 2 bid, 250. Anybody else in a 2 bid, 250? 250, 250, sir. You want 250? Now 3, now 3. At 250, now 3. Anybody else in a 3? You want to buy her? At 250 bid, now 3. Anybody else in a 250? Now 3. Anybody else in a 250? Now 3. There, did you want to buy a 250? Now 3 on the internet now? At 250, now 3. Anybody else in a 3? You want to buy them here? 250, now 3. And I'm on a 3. 250, now 3. Sold her on the internet. 250, 250. 5024, 5024. Thank you, thank you. All right, here's a little custom-made barge wagon. Little custom-made barge wagon. Got a nice little easy haul gear under it. Who get about 750? You get 750. Anybody else at a 750? He'll get 500 and go. Got 5 and a 5. Anybody else at a 5 and 5? Oh my goodness gracious! Junior and Mary made it, and John Vogel. Who get about 250? At 250, 100, 150, 150. Now 2, 2, 2, 2, 150, 2. At 2 bid, 250. Now 3, 3, 3. Got to be 300 bid. Now 250. Now 3. At 250 bid. Now 3 there. Do you want to buy a man? 350. Now 350. 350. 350 man. 350. Now 4. At 4, 4, 4. Internet now 4 bid 4. Now 350. Internet 4. Now 4. Do you want to buy him here? At 350. Internet 4 bid 4. Anybody else in a 350? Internet 4. I have 350 bid. Now 4 bid 4. Now 350. Internet 4. Geez, 350. 400. 400. Anybody else? Nice little wagon here, guys. 400. 400. 354. 350. Did it 4 anymore on a 4. Sold her to her. 350. 131. You buy her.